Unlock the secret to a thriving Amazon FBA wholesale business by mastering the art of finding and securing top-tier brands, suppliers, and distributors. First, let's identify winning brands. Think about your niche and target customer. What products are they actively searching for on Amazon? Dive into Amazon's bestseller lists, movers and shakers, and even trending product research tools. Look for brands with consistent sales, positive reviews, and a strong brand presence. Avoid brands that are overly saturated or have a history of intellectual property complaints on Amazon. Once you've identified potential brands, it's time to find their authorized suppliers or distributors. Often, the brand's own website will have a wholesale or distributors section. If not, a targeted Google search using terms like brand name wholesale distributor or brand name supplier is your next step. LinkedIn can also be a goldmine for finding individuals who work in sales or distribution for these brands. When you reach out, professionalism is key. Craft a concise and compelling email clearly stating your Amazon FBA wholesale business, your interest in their products, and your potential order volume. Attach a professional business profile or reseller certificate if you have one. Be prepared to answer questions about your business model and target market. Building relationships is crucial for long-term success. Don't just focus on the initial order. Nurture these connections by communicating clearly, paying on time, and providing feedback. This can lead to better pricing, early access to new products, and more favorable payment terms down the line. Always negotiate. Even a small discount can significantly impact your profit margins. Finally, don't compromise on quality before placing large orders. Request product samples, inspect them thoroughly for any defects or inconsistencies if you're working with a distributor. Inquire about their quality control processes. Ensuring product quality from the outset prevents costly returns and protects your seller account health on Amazon, giving you that vital competitive edge.